Quicken versus Ynab, which is better? To make a conclusion for you, only I have made this video for you guys so you can just come to conclusion and you can use a better platform, a better software. Deciding between Quicken and Ynab depends on your specific needs, preference, and financial goals. So here I have made a comparison to help you choose. Let's talk about the Quicken. Its offer use comprehensive personal finance management tool including budgeting, expense tracking, investment tracking, bill management, and many more, right? It's allow you syncing with your bank accounts. If you have more than one bank account, credit cards, whether it's saving, checking, or other financial institutional, automatically it will import all your transaction and show it into the Quicken platform. It provides you the robust reporting features including customizable reports and graph to analyze your spending pattern, your investing pattern, and financial trends. It's offer various versions including Quicken Starter, Deluxe, Premier, and Home and Business. Depending upon your requirement and purpose, you can buy any one of the plan. It also support on Windows and Mac, which is very obvious. Now let's talk about the Wine app. Focus on proactive budgeting and financial planning. It's help users to allocate their income to specific spending categories and prioritize their saving goals. It utilizes a zero-based budgeting approach where every dollar has a job, aiming to give user more control over their financial and reduce overspending. It offers real-time syncing of transaction, which is exactly similar to Quicken. It provides educational resource, workspace, workshops, and support to help user develop healthy financial habits. So if you just compare both of it, YNAB is for personal, very personal finance. Ultimately, the better choice depend on your financial management style. If you are a lot into this or different kind of financial markets, then Quicken would be a much more better. You're preferable for users seeking a comprehensive suite of personal finance tool with advanced features such as investment tracking and reporting. On the other hand, YNAB may be more suitable for user focused on proactive budgeting, goal setting, and developing better money habits. So before making decision, consider your specific needs, budgets, and the future. I hope you found this video very useful.